If your vehicle is equipped with power seat adjustments, push this switch forward or backward to move your seat in either direction. Push down or pull up on the rear of the switch to move the seat up or down. This switch also allows you to adjust the angle of the seat. Push down or pull up on the front of the switch to adjust the angle of the seat. Push this switch backward to recline the seat, or forward to bring the seat upright. If so equipped, the Power Lumbar Support feature provides lower back support to the driver. Push this switch forward or backward to adjust the seat lumbar support. To fold the second row bench seat flat, pull up on this lever and push the seat back. To return to an upright position, push up on the seat back until it latches in place. If you have removed or adjusted the headrest or head restraints, reinstall and properly adjust them before an occupant uses these seating positions. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.